Hi, I'm Luke John Louis, a client representative with TemPositions. We're always looking for great candidates like you to join our team. Check out our latest opportunity.
We have a great opportunity for a brand ambassador position. Some of the responsibilities would include familiarizing yourself with the company's mission, vision, and goals, working closely with sales and marketing staff to conceptualize marketing campaigns and strategies, educating customers, retailers, and distributors about our products, and creating a website and social media content strategy. If you have a bachelor's degree in marketing or a related field, prior experience in customer service environment, and working knowledge of social media platforms and tools, you can be a great fit for this role.
We are aiming to fill this role immediately, so this opening will not last long. Apply soon. I'm looking forward to meeting you.